Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Uh, First of all, I just want to say that is, if you not understand what I'm trying to say, or any problem, just comment, and I give you my WhatsApp number and maybe Telegram for we can chat each other and you can tell about your problem. I can solve this. So let's start our final video. Today we are talking about how to redirect AdLinkFly to your WordPress blogger website for more revenue. You can you can give people more CPM. So let's talk first. Go to my store, just search official Rick. uh, you can see this is my site. Just click this. uh, you need to give if you need to create more professional uh, URL shortener. First, you need AdLinkFly monetization URL shortener file. Second, you need WP Safelink file. Third, you need this WP Safelink AdLinkFly redirection code. Uh, when you purchase those three, uh, and this is AdLinkFly script, and this is how to customize AdLinkFly theme. So right now what we need to do is, uh, if you you can choose what currency you are interested in. First go to add to cart. Check out. You can see PayPal, BNB, BEP20, USD, USDT20. You can choose Indian INR, and you can use QR UPI QR code for Indian if you are an Indian user. And now we are gonna talk first. First you need to create you need to subdomain. First you need to subdomain. So hold on for free hosting. Infinity free gives you free hosting. create an account, $0. Now subdomain post office back. Okay. This is just if you want, if you already set up mm, management file manager. Now you just forget about those things. This is just a public folder you already access for. You need to delete those three, your subdomain. Right now what you need this file when you purchase this, when you purchase the $6 code, or then purchase the $6 code, you need to hold on. This is basically look like this. You need those thing, copy and paste. Look like this folder, GIF, chosen files. We don't need this part, this thing. Delete this. You just need these two, and I can't show you this code when you purchase it. And it's go to edit, and customize your official domain. And I think this tutorial is not good enough to understand what I'm trying to say. Day by day I give you full understand things, what you need to do. If you don't understand what I'm saying, one more time I'll just tell you, comment me anything I can tell you. This is extract complete. Right now you need this WP Safelink for your blogging website. Blogging should be verified and Google monetized, like you can see This website is Google AdSense approval. Like your blogging should look like this, Google AdSense approval. Then you can install this plugin. How should I tell you that? Hold on. Back. Add domain. Create a subdomain. I gave you random name. No. Website builder. Yes. I just tell you. Your domain should look like this. Your website, Google monetize. And what you need to do is you can see I already installed this WP Safelink. Themes, and you need to copy those two. First, this code should paste on header, and this code should paste on footer. So go appearance, theme file editor. You can see I already pasted this templated header code, and this is the footer. This is the footer code. Now what you need to do is and this is, you need to go copy this code here. You need to copy this code, go to this text folder and copy this total code, and you need to paste on your AdLinkFly, like AdLinkFly folder. I already give you the view banner CTP, and this you need to find this your theme this CTP file, extension file, and go there and paste this code and overwrite it. That's all. uh, and paste this. You need to enable this AdLinkFly and paste um, this second domain, and second domain should default or default with your main AdLinkFly domain. And one more time, I just want to say, if you understand what I'm trying to say, that's cool. If you don't understand, I can make another video for clarity. Is because it takes lots of time to make this kind of video, and this kind of video not give me any result, and just takes lots of time. So if you understand, if you want to make link shortener website or anything, so write a comment and like, and talk with me directly so I can solve this problem with you. This is for everything. This is everything. This is everything today's video. Now I'm going to stop this video.